Let's explore the admin functions of a DIY website. I'm already logged into my DIY website. I have that admin button on the top right. Clicking on it will open for me the admin panel of the website, where I can see all my pages initially, but I have a left menu that I can see and browse for more options here. The site pages menu is what we are seeing on the screen. Users is where we can invite or manage more users. Site options has additional options like specifying an email, adding Google Analytics, and more. Site fonts is where you can select fonts and font size for your website. And I will talk about tags in a separate topic, which is related to a taxonomy that can be added to your articles. But this would require a separate topic to talk about.